Are you struggling to unit test your React Router v4 component with a redirect? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to effectively test your component using Jest and Enzyme. I totally get it. Trying to test components that involve redirects can be tricky and frustrating. Many developers face this challenge, and it can feel like you're hitting a wall. But don't worry, we're going to break it down together. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, how do I unit test the app container component in React Router v4? They shared their component code and their testing attempt, but they were struggling to get it to work. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this issue step by step. So, what makes testing this component challenging? The redirect logic depends on user authentication, which can complicate your tests. We'll explore how to mock this behavior effectively to ensure your tests run smoothly. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your testing process even easier. You won't want to miss it. To begin unit testing the app container component, the user should ensure they have the necessary testing libraries installed. This includes Jest and Enzyme, which are essential for testing React components. Next, the user needs to set up the Enzyme adapter for React. This is crucial for Enzyme to work correctly with the version of React being used. Now, the user can write the unit test for the app container component. They should ensure that the test checks for the presence of the redirect component when the user is not authenticated. Finally, the user should run the test to verify that everything is functioning as expected. They can do this by executing the Jest command in the terminal. Fun fact, did you know that testing is like a safety net for your code? It catches bugs before they hit production, saving you from potential headaches later on. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user focuses on testing the actual URL change instead of just checking for the presence of a redirect component. They created a simple redirect app component that uses React Router's switch and redirect. In their test, they mount the redirect app within a memory router, initializing it with the path all courses. They then check if the location path name is updated to /courses, confirming the redirect works correctly. This method, while a bit unconventional, effectively verifies that the redirect leads to the correct destination. They also suggest exporting redirect app with router to automatically inject React Router props. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always keep your tests organized and clear. This will save you time and make it easier to identify issues in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to unit test your React Router v4 component with redirects successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on React testing.